We got lots of things especially for the UG students, and particularly this message should reach to the parents because still parents are the real pathfinder for
And every semester it comes around
3,000 per semester. Okay, and most of the time you get that fixed amount which will be refunded. And she comes from Manipur, she comes from Northeast, she is always there to help you.
The mess bill, it will be according to how much you eat. Like
How much you eat?
currently I'm pursuing IMSc in life sciences.
So hello everyone, this is Navneet Misra and today we are here at the University of Hyderabad. Today we have Delphi and we will have a great discussion on the CUET UG, especially the life science courses. Particularly most of you are looking for the admission into 26 batch. So I would like to welcome Delphi. Delphi, just give a brief introduction to the audience.
Hello, my name is Delphi and currently I'm pursuing IMSc in life sciences in Center of Integrated Studies, and I'm in my second year.
Okay, so you are second year student, so you have quite enough idea about the campus things, the campus life, the course curriculum and the fee structure and number of things. So basically in this video we are going to talk about the which kind of courses usually University of Hyderabad provides for the CUET, what are the fee structure and what are the academic adventure here you can go. So first and foremost thing I would like to just ask about your course and course structure and how people can join.
Okay, so my course is IMSc Life Sciences.
Okay.
So for the first three, till second year, we'll be studying all physics, chemistry, maths, biology.
Okay.
And to get into this course as well, we have to see the CUET marks, which needs physics, chemistry, biology and maths, so PCMB.
Okay, so just a pause. Okay. So people who want to write who want to get admission into HCU in the biology stream, IMSc integrated course UG, physics, chemistry, maths, biology.
Yes, PCMB.
So all these four subjects you have to write PCMB. So which comes nearly 1,000 marks.
Yes.
So out of 1,000 marks, what are the probable cutoff it went?
During my batch, it was during that time the total marks for PCMB was 800 because 800. Per subject it was 200.
Okay, now it's 250.
Now it became 250.
So out of 800, how much it was?
Out of 800, it was 450 around. 450.
So nearly 60%, I think it would be the safer score.
Yes.
Now before going to the deep, I would definitely ask about her domicile and all. So Delphi, like ji, आप कहाँ से आते हैं? From where you come from?
I come from Manipur.
So Manipur hai, that means it shows the diversity of our nation. The university represents a great diversified students. I come from like Bihar. Many of you would be watching from UP. Some of you would be from Kerala. Definitely some of you would be from Kashmir. She represents the Manipur. So like usually क्या होता है when you see the HCU is in part of South India. So how would you explain the composite culture of our campus?
I think our campus is very diverse. We see people from all parts of India, and it's not like we don't see people from Northeast. Northeast also there's a
Northeast is also there.
Yeah, a lot of people are there, and the campus environment is really good, and it's very inclusive.
Yes.
Like we always feel welcomed. Personally, from my experience, I never felt like I was excluded. All my friends are very inclusive and we all like share a peaceful environment.
So any ragging kind of things or what, like from the senior end?
No, there's not much ragging in senior.
Okay. And now coming to the other part, it was about you and your origin. A bit of more we will be talking about the campus specific. तो जैसे कैंपस में once you enter, you see properly for the students, you see what are the mess structure, what are the fee structure, the kind of food we get here. Apart from the course curriculum, the later part we will be definitely talking course curriculum. So just give a glance about the here how usually your day starts, what the daily routine, the kind of food or the accommodation, everything is here.
Okay, so like the food, I mean. It's a hostel, so it will depend on the individual. But the food they provide properly, and the hostel is also very good. Everyone gets a hostel, and the hostel fee we have to pay like per semester. Room rent we have to pay, which is around 500.
So just 500 rupees per semester hostel fee. Yeah.
Yeah, and the mess bill it will be according to how much you eat. Like
how much you eat. So it's like that. If I eat this much, so it will be
no,
this much.
I mean, we can have like number of days we eat.
Okay, okay. So number of days.
Number of
Got
days.
it,
Like
got it.
if we want to eat from outside, we can close our
Our
mess
cards,
card,
yeah.
and then for the number of days that you eat, only that much you have to pay.
Okay.
So if you eat for the whole month, so it would come around 2,000 to 3,000.
2 to 3,000. So approximately 100 rupees per day,
Yeah.
and which gives you 3 meals a day.
Yeah, 3
That's
meals a
so
day.
much affordable and very less expensive.
Yes.
I am also the part of campus, so I know like every next day you get different breakfast.
Yeah.
And here I also found the food is not something like specific to only South India.
No.
You get chapati here also,
Yes.
dal also, sabji also, rice also. Non-veg is also there.
Yes.
2 to 3 times per week they provide
Yes.
non-veg as well. So मेस का अपना sorted है भाई लोग. There is just 3,000 per month, 500 per semester hostel fee. Let's consider it is free only. Especially people who cannot afford hostel fee, 500 per semester. Please contact me. I will pay for you. Just make sure you join HCU. So once you get the admission and you are not able to pay hostel fee, like accommodation is a big deal. If you see the big
Yes.
cities, especially the private campuses like Bangalore and Delhi, so you know the accommodation charge is very high.
Exactly.
Some of your friends would be in Delhi and all,
Yes.
so you can be
Yeah.
very sure about it. So hostel आपको मैं provide कर दूंगा. Just make sure you enter into the campus via CUET. Now coming to the bit of curriculum and academic, what is the sex ratio of your class? I mean department.
For my department, I'm pretty sure the girls are more.
Girls are more because of that
Because
biology.
so
Biology.
around 60% girls and 40%
Strength
boys.
is how much?
Strength, the intake for our batch was around 60. But the batch after me, the 25 batch, they took more than 60 students.
Okay.
So probably for 26 also
80,
they'll
yeah,
take
nearly 70-80 students हैं. वो changes होते रहते हैं. As she told, during her time it was 60 students, but this time they have increased the seat. So you need to check the prospectus. Usually 70-80 के आसपास रहता है. So it's a great opportunity here. Now I will be also asking her about the lab facilities because she is in the second year. तो अब थोड़ा बहुत lab से introduction हो गया होगा आपका. And because the biology course, the chemistry course, mostly life sciences course are lab oriented. So how's your lab facilities?
The lab facilities are really good. Like in the first year itself, we get to experience like not only
First
biology.
semester itself.
Yeah, first
Oh,
semester
great.
we get to experience the physics and chemistry labs.
Uh-huh.
So biology will come in the second semester. So the labs are very well facilitated and the equipments are all there. And the lab technicians, they'll help us out. So it is all very helpful and proper.
So lab facility is there, mess facility हमने देख लिया, food facility देख लिया. Now coming to the freedom, because for me, if India has to empower, first women empowerment should be there, and empowerment cannot be ensured without freedom. The liberty, the wings, the freedom is that wing which helps you to fly into the sky. So that kind of freedom we should definitely talk of, and especially when you are from the home 2,000, 3,000 kilometers far away, living all friends, parents, everyone, and you are sitting in such a beautiful campus. So their freedom comes our priority. So we will be talking about the women freedom especially. क्या women को freedom है hostel में? Because sometimes what happen when you stay at the PG especially, so there after 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you are not allowed to go outside. So what kind of freedom and hostel facilities here we have for the especially girls?
Here in our university, I think there's total freedom.
Total
like
freedom.
there is no restriction such as coming back at this time or not going out late at night. It is like properly you can have your freedom.
Okay.
You can
So it's
go out.
basically 24/7.
Yes.
And it's not restricted कि you are supposed to be by 10 o'clock here.
No.
And one more thing, usually I don't say, but even you are not accountable to the warden where you are going.
Yes, exactly.
Just you make sure कि in campus, if you feel safe, it's not something like कि you randomly go out. If you feel safe, you can definitely go out. Usually क्या होता है, once you are away from the people and all, then you need some trustworthy people
Yes.
with whom you can hang out and all. And coming to the campus and library things, our library is 24/7 open.
Yes.
So people study till 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and gratefully we have the night canteen as well.
Yes,
So
we
people go for the Maggie, chai, omelette and all. I hope you have also tried, right?
I have tried.
So you had like something bonfire or night out with the friends in the campus?
Yeah, I did have some night outs. because we have the freedom, so we can go out anywhere.
So like if parents are watching and don't be in the doubt ki my kids are going and will be roaming at 2 o'clock 3 o'clock night, it's a pretty safe campus.
Yes.
Full security is ensured and people are so much cordial and kind enough to help each other. Now coming to the last part of our this session. So basically, if I would like to ask you, what are the challenges or what are the the kind of, you would say, doubt people have, especially the new students, or they would like to join HCU, for them any message?
I think this campus itself is very like peaceful and nice. Like we can say that there's a lot of trees. The
greenery is there,
ecosystem is really good, and it's a very peaceful place. Like even if you feel doubt to come here, I don't think there should be any doubt, because compared to other, like usually it's in big cities.
Correct.
And in these days we have this air quality index ka problem.
Correct.
So
correct.
here there's fresh air and everything. So I would say definitely come to this university.
No, I would like to coming very specific, as you come from the Northeast. And by the way, I will be also putting her email ID if you feel like
Yeah,
connecting your people. And these days we have also seen such number of the kind of upheaval among the people from the Sikkim to Bangladesh issue to Uttarakhand. So definitely it become a big concern for the parents. When I was doing my class 12, when this Nirbhaya can't happened in the Delhi, so lots of, especially the people, or the especially girls, they were bit reluctant to go and stay in the Delhi. It took time. So similarly, especially coming from the Northeast, so don't you think do you need a special kind of attention, or is everyone here equal, or do you feel any sort of discrimination here, any sort of?
Personally, from my experience, I haven't faced any kind of discrimination. As I said before, I feel very inclusive here.
Okay.
The people here are nice. Like they don't make you feel like you're not a part of this
Correct.
place.
Yeah.
So in that terms, I think it is very safe. But obviously, it depends on individuals. I wouldn't say it's completely safe. Like some people might experience something on their ends. But as for me, like thankfully, I am in a good environment. The place where I am, I have good friends, so they all make me feel safe. So I think overall it's a good place, but somewhere here and there it might be.
Yeah, sometimes individual experience cannot be the the mass experience. That is obvious. And one more good thing I found here, campus is full of colors of festivals and all, be it Telugu festival, Northeast festival. Even among Northeast we experience lots of things. So would you like to describe all those few activities which is here done?
Yeah, there are a lot of festivals, and specifically Northeast Fest
Northeast
was
festivals,
also happened here. And in that fest, all the Northeast people came and they represented their culture in a way to show everyone like what our culture is, even if someone doesn't know. So in that aspect, I think it's very inclusive and really great.
So like there is a proper participation, and the most important part here, faculties are also from Northeast. You
Yes,
take any department, there will be faculty from the Northeast, and they will treat you as their own kid. You can reach out to them. Coming to the girls part, there is a GS case also, gender sensitive wala issue, where you can reach out anytime. We have a psychologist also once you join you have such a great campus where you can walk around, where you can go to the gym also, and sports also there, and number of facilities, चाहे badminton हो, TT हो, cricket हो, night cup होता है यहाँ. And particularly now coming to कि lots of you would be watching, especially North Indian people, कि सर आप इंग्लिश में क्यों बोल रहे हो? तो my dear friend, the medium of here instruction is English. कि HCU में आपको पढ़ाई इंग्लिश में होगी. Why I'm categorically adding it? I have seen few institutes like BHU है, DU है. So there you will find semester examination in both the language, Hindi as well as English. So in which you want to write the answer, you can write. But here I think there is only English. And don't get confused, it is the Telangana state, so there would be Telugu. There is no Telugu medium, by the way, except Telugu course. So here is only English. Campus is full of joyful, full of that kind of aura what we need, very supportive. Now coming to the climate part, because where you stay, so you need a definitely kind of good weather. कैसा है यहाँ का climate? How do you feel it?
Climate, for me, I feel it's very unpredictable.
A bit unpredictable,
yes.
okay.
Sometimes it's like sunny, and then suddenly it will be cloudy. the rainy, but overall I
yeah,
say
across the
pleasant,
year. Yeah, that's the pleasant.
pleasant kind.
So weather is very beautiful. Weather is sometimes yeah, that is true कि कभी कभी मार्च अप्रैल में आपको थोड़ा सनलाइट ज़्यादा हो जाता है, बट फ्रॉम मई एंड अक्रॉस अक्टूबर यू विल फाइंड द रेनी सीजन हियर, and we are shooting this video first week of January 26, and you see the kind of t-shirt or the light cloth we are wearing. So you can see the kind of here climate or the chill that winter what North Indian or the Northeast people would be facing. So such kind of relief you will find here. And what I feel if you see particularly Northeast in your location, you have to wake up by 4 o'clock because there is a sunrise between 4 to 5. What we experience here in the winter at 7 o'clock. But at the evening again by 3 everything is done. It's so again productivity matters. तो यहाँ पे आपको productivity काफ़ी अच्छा रहेगा when climate is supportive. You will work very hard for your studies, for your research, for your sports, and that is very supportive climate. Now let's wrap up the session. From your end, I would like to just ask some quick fire round. So Hyderabad, it's been almost more than 1 year. So your go-to sport in Hyderabad?
My go-to sport, I think if we go outside the South Gate, there's this one cafe is there, Club Tea. Okay, Club Tea, that's the great thing.
Okay, so this is in fact in the campus, hardly 100-200 meter from the South Gate of campus. And that was the food part. Are you also involved in any sports or anything?
Sports, not really.
Okay, that's the freedom. Somebody is involved in sports, somebody is okay. Apart from anything, cultural things and all, anything except studies. Like youth should be also engage themselves apart from studies. Anything, be it content creation or be it anything.
Okay, I mean, I have some hobbies like painting and all.
Oh, that. Painting. That's the great part. By the way, every semester I found there is from the university behalf, painting, poetry, these exhibitions are conducted. So university respects your all the skills and arts. We, I think, not only restrict our students to the just go to the book studies and get the CGPA. That's not the end here. Chaliye, go to sport you told. What about the food? Yeah, food is something important, especially once you come from the different area, be it north or northeast, and you have to roam around the Hyderabad. Do you find your own food?
Like my comfort food?
Yeah. Any food, your own regional food or comfort food.
Regional food is a bit difficult to find. But
okay.
I would say I like the food here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like something specific. Biryani, chicken Hyderabadi dum biryani.
That is like something everyone likes.
Okay, so you enjoy the biryani.
Yeah, I also tried mandi.
Mandi biryani.
That was my first time.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I tried it here. And most of the South Indian foods, like dosa, idli, all of those were like new to me, but it was really good. I really liked it.
Yeah, taste is something which is developed over the time. That's the like. So thank you so much for joining. And before we summarize the session, just I would like to ask you: did we miss anything? What new people should know before entering into the campus?
Yeah, I also want to mention that. Our CIS, there are clubs in CIS.
Center for Integrated Studies that you will be joining the UG course.
Yeah, there are 2 clubs. One is Shape Your Thought, which is mainly for the social sciences and humanities people. And another is Junior Science Club, which is for the science students. And I'm also a coordinator of Junior Science Club. And this year, I became the coordinator. So every second year, we choose new coordinators and we do a lot of science activities where we get hands-on science lab experiments and all of that. So it's a really nice way to like discover new things and really know what we're passionate about. So I would say clubs and all are also here. So
like proper the participation of students would be there. So finally we got lots of things, especially for the UG students, and particularly this message should reach to the parents, because still parents are the real pathfinder for the UG students. And I am pretty sure once you are here because your parents supported you, my kid go there. Otherwise it is very, very difficult, and especially for the female students, safety, security, such things are a big concern. As you see mentioned, there is no discrimination, there is a full safety. Because in campus where 6,000-7,000 students, do you feel any kind of unsafe thing here?
No, I haven't felt
So
it.
not at all. So campus is quite safe here. 200 security guard, campus police is already there. Gachibowli Thana hai hamare paas. You have the supportive staff, and all the professors are the part of this chief warden. And you have CIS things. HC told कि CIS में भी वहाँ पे coordinator होता है. Like you can reach out to them in any case of problem. And apart from that, I will be mentioning her email ID so that you can reach out regarding the UG kind of things, especially UG. Please don't disturb her for the PG. Many of PG students would be watching postgraduate, but she is the coordinator of that club, CIS club, HC Menton, CIS, that is Center for Integrated Studies, right?
Yes.
So that was the small take of 20 minutes, and this is the lecture hall complex. ये बताइए इसमें क्या क्या होता है? What are the things actually here done?
So we basically have classes in here. The ground floor, first floor, second floor, until third floor we have classes. So this year it became fully functional.
Okay, this year only.
And we also have reading room.
Reading room,
which
ground
is
mein.
Open
24/7. See my friend, 24/7 reading room. This building you will get, and it's free of cost. Just you have to clear the CUT exam, get the admission. There is no extra charge you have to pay. HC mentioned, खाने का 3,000 रुपए per month, mess bill 3,000 and 500 that semester. Now coming to your course part, थोड़ा सा that I missed. Course में क्या है admission fee यहाँ? Is it hefty amount or very nominal charge?
Course fee, I think during admission, including all the student welfare, medical and all, for admission it was around 10,000, and every semester it comes around 3,000.
3,000 per semester. Okay, and most of the time you get that fixed amount which will be refunded once your course is over.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Let's sum it up, and please spread this video among your friends, among your parents, and especially relatives who thinks कि मेरे बच्चे का IIT नहीं हुआ, JEE नहीं हुआ, where she or he will go. So definitely HCU is waiting for your arrival, guys. And especially coming to the 26 batch जो अभी भी form है, you should apply. And she comes from Manipur, she comes from Northeast, she is always there to help you. We want this campus should represent India as a whole. We are not restricted to only the Telangana, Andhra, Kerala and all. We come from all the part of India. I am pretty sure even from the Northeast, not only Manipur is there. I met lots of people from Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. So all 7 sister concept is here.
Yeah, all of them.
So you will feel united. You will feel India in India, India within India. That gives you the beauty of campus. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining, and wish you best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.